Welcome to Greece.
Woo, we made it.
We go together, better than birds of a feather, you and me. We change the weather, yeah. I'm feeling heat in December when you found me. I've been dancing on top of cars and stumbling out of bars. I follow you through the dark, can't get enough. You're the medicine and the pain, the tattoo inside my brain. And baby, you know it's obvious, I'm a sucker for you. Say the word and I'll go anywhere blindly. I'm a sucker for you.
Hey, welcome to Cheese TV. I'm your host, Dukes.
I'm a sucker for all the subliminal things no one knows about you, about you, about you, about you. And you're making the typical me break my typical rules. It's true, I'm a sucker for you. Yeah. Don't complicate it. Yeah. 'Cause I know you.
Hello.
Hey.
Think about me. I can't remember all of the nights I don't remember when you're around me. I've been dancing on top of cars and stumbling out of bars. I follow you through the dark, can't get enough. You're the medicine and the pain, the tattoo inside my brain. And baby, you know it's obvious, I'm a sucker for you. Say the word and I'll go anywhere blindly. I'm a sucker for you.
Good evening.
Any road you take, you know that you'll find me. I'm a sucker for all the subliminal things no one knows about you.
Oh, we got out there.
Alright, we're just here in our rental car, about to tackle Athens.
It's true, I'm a sucker for you.
We're not dead yet. Off to Dopey. Dopey.
I've been dancing on top of cars and stumbling out of bars. I follow you through the dark, can't get enough.
Howdy, mate.
And the pain, the tattoo inside my brain. And baby, you know it's obvious, I'm a sucker for you. Yeah. Say the word and I'll go anywhere blindly. I'm a sucker for
We're just here in Delphi, Greece, the home of the Christmas tree.
Not true.
you. Find me. I'm a sucker for all the subliminal things no one knows about you. About you, about you, about you. Making the typical me break my typical rules.
You're so
I'm a
nice.
sucker for you.
Yes. Yes.
I'm a sucker for you. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become. In the cold light of day, we're a flame in the wind, not the fire.
That is a
we
nice
begun.
view.
Every argument, every word we can't take back. 'Cause with all that has happened,
The little ones, some of them don't have bells. So we're just gonna paddle on.
Hello. I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile, but no, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the evening falls,
What a cool dude.
with my
Yay.
thoughts, and the image of you being with someone else, well, it's eating me up inside. But we ran our course, we pretended we're okay. Now if we jump together, at least we can swim far away from the wreck
Yes.
we made.
Everybody loves Pat.
Then only for a minute.
Going up Mount Olympus, sort of. Driving up to the car park.
I wanna raise your spirits. I want to see you smile.
Hello.
Where are we?
That means I'll have
We're in Japan. Just at Mount Fuji.
Ah.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. So I'll go, I will go. So I'll go, I will go. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. Even though I might not like this, I think that you'll be happier, I want you to be happier. Then only for a minute, I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me.
G'day.
I want to see you smile.
Bye, Carl.
There's 60,000 seats. It's the only stadium in the whole world that's made completely of white marble.
Wow.
For a bit of knowledge.
I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier.